What's up, guys? Doing another video on the S4. Today I'm going to be doing some Coil packs, the 2.0, the conversion for that. Kind of already started a little bit of the work. I'm just going to kind of go over what I did already. In my opinion, it's pretty straightforward. If you don't have the engine covers, obviously, take those off. What I did already was, if you look at this coil pack here, I already undid it. The bracket, I guess you could say, the clip that goes there, I took it off. All I used was a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to use that for all 6 of them. Flathead screwdriver in my case for these clamps here. I'm going to take off this lobster claw on both sides. And then I got a, let's see, where is it at? 10 millimeter. I believe that's what it is. Yeah, 10 millimeter. Got an extension on it, small ratchet, nothing too big. Let's see, and then I'm gonna do the spark plugs as well. So I got my spark plug fitting here, some extensions. I got some pliers to take off the this hose clamp here, and that's pretty much all you need as far as tools go. I have everything in the box here. I got some 2.0 coils. I got the conversion wires, and I got the NGK BKR7Es. Got 6 of those, obviously, and then I got obviously the boot protector. Let's see, we got the spacers. So these spacers here I got from Audi. They're plastic. They'll do the job for now. Part number is right there, and this is all they are. Nothing too fancy. I'm gonna use these for now until I can buy me some better quality ones. And then I have the ICM delete harnesses here, or connectors, I guess you can say. So I'll be plugging those in as well. These here I got from FCP Euro. I typed in, I think, the factory part number, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this one here, 06E905115FG. And I got it from FCP Euro, lifetime warranty on those. And I also got the spark plugs from there. So these are also lifetime as well. So if I ever need to replace one of the coils or the spark plugs, I'll just send in the old ones and get a new replacement. That's about it. Took off the intake already, which is here, as you can see. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Just undo these 2 10mm bolts, one here, and like I said, get these taken off with the flathead. Let me just kind of do one more for you guys. Just get the flathead and put it in there like that. It'll come off. Oh, dropped it. It's right here. Just take that off, and it unplugs just like that. And unbolt it. Take off the coil packs, the old ones there. In my case, I'll be doing this lobster claw. Take off this clamp here, this clamp here, and this clamp here. Get this piece out of the way. I might end up moving this intercooler pipe here to get this off, this piece here as well. And that's pretty much it. It's not too hard of a job. If you got all the harnesses and everything, same thing on this side. Just remove this lobster claw, get these clamps off here, and to get to this third one, kind of move these hoses out the way. Mine isn't bolted in, so I'm going to be undoing the zip ties here, and right here. So this is kind of an extra one that was done, but yeah, it's on there. And I'll just basically move this out of the way, and I'll be able to get to those 2 there. And that's pretty much it. If you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Please like, subscribe, even share the video. I'm trying to do as much videos as I can on the S4, the B5 in particular. I couldn't find really much online. Every time I look up anything for this car, I can't find too much on it. So anything I do, I'm going to be videotaping. Alright, so I just got done with the coil packs and the spark plugs. So there are a few things that I had to do. As you can see on the spacers, on this little piece here, on this right under that piece, so obviously you see that there's no bolt holes inside the spacers. To bolt down is because I guess they're plastic and you could probably break them with tightening them down. So instead there is, how can you say, it looks like a, I don't know, a rod or whatever with teeth sticking out. They kind of slide into the hole there and get stuck in the threading of the valve cover there. So basically what I had to do to get those to go in, because I tried to push them with my hand, just using my finger and whatnot, and it wouldn't go in. So basically what I did was I used, where is it at? This piece here. Basically what I did was I used that piece there at the bottom of the extension, and I put it inside the little square there, and at the end I used a hammer to lightly tap the spacer into place. I had to do it with all 6. I know it looks a little ugly. It's a little, you know, it's not appealing, but it's just kind of just for now, just so I can get my stage 2 E85 done through Blake Beetle. In the future, I will be cutting this harness, these harnesses here, these wires, and I will be directly hardwiring this piece to the factory harness here and make it look a lot neater. Same thing with the ICMs, which are right here. I did one at a time just so I didn't get confused with anything and mix match them and whatnot. Basically you just take off these things, whatever they're called, obviously on all 4 of them. I did one side at a time, so I connected that side, then did this side, then did that side, then I did this side. So that's the ICMs, deleted those. As you can see, I got it on the passenger side as well. Now, on this spot here, this piping is in the way, unfortunately, to get this one. So what I did was I used a 10mm wrench to get the bolt out from, see, from right there. I used a wrench, popped it out, got the bracket off that goes on here, which is there over here. These little bad boys here, got that off, and basically it just came right off. These are the ICMs, deleted those. So that's that. So yeah, so get that wrench in there, get that 10mm off the bolt, get them both off, disconnect the pigtail, and the factory coil pack will come out. And then basically what I did was I installed some BKR7E IX, if I'm not mistaken. They're right here. I showed you that earlier. BKR7Es. I guess it's not on there. Oh, here it is. Yeah, BKR7Es. And I got those installed as well. Went ahead and did that. Same thing for this side. I'll be hardwiring this stuff. I'll make a video on that later on how to hardwire this stuff in, so you don't have to use these things here. It can be a little bit more compatible. Like I said, I know it looks a little ugly. Everything's kind of everywhere. I will tidy that up here in a little bit. And that's basically it. I got everything off, put it all on, about an hour and a half. Took my time on it. Probably less time than that, about an hour maybe. And that's about it. Got them all. Got it converted to the 2.0 R8 style coils. And if anybody wants to know, this is the 034 Motorsports harness, or pigtails, I guess you can say. And that's where those came from. These, they came from, let's see if I could find that paper, or the bag they came in. right here. They were in this bag. There's nothing, it's not labeled or nothing. I'm sure you could find those on possibly FCP Euro, or you can find them on ECS Tuning possibly, or, oh, here they are, right here, I'm sorry. Right here. This is what they came in. I have no idea what that says. It's kind of some scribbly writing there. Anyways, the spacers I don't know if I mentioned earlier, I did get them from Audi, my local Audi dealership here where I'm at. Like I said, here they are again. Part numbers on there somewhere, right there. These, I believe, are for a Volkswagen Touareg. Not sure what year, if I'm not mistaken, or they're from a Volkswagen Tiguan. But they fit here, obviously. So that's that. Go ahead and feel free to order those, obviously. Once again, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below if you got any questions or just want to chat about something. Yes, I do have my O2 sensors unplugged. That's because I'm going to get tuned for that. They're currently not in, but they are plugged in. So I'm just going to tidy everything up here. That's it for tonight. It's already dark. I'm going to get everything cleaned up and sorted. And I'll see you guys in the next video.